It's hot to do the brakes, but since I'm limited,
we're changing the brake pads on this 08 Nismo. The first step is to
we already skipped that.
Jack up the car.
And you gotta hammer these pins that hold in the what the I'm not wearing these pants ever again. You told me not to, so it doesn't matter. Pins that hold it in, the pads. You know? That's hammered out. And then they're sticking out right here. Blah blah blah. And then you take it out, right, babe? It's so hot in here. I can't remove it, babe. Cut, babe. It's hot. Fuck. Well, this is the shim that stops your brakes from making so much fucking noise. This shit in. So you have to, don't lose your pins. Usually clean them up, but on the other side I ain't cleaning them up because I don't give a fuck. Get a clamp like this, C-clamp. Just compress your so fucking hot, man. So after you're done compressing it, your brake pad should come off. And I have no brake pad. Right? Fucking crazy. And then I still gotta compress the piston because this pad won't go in still. So make sure the pad is, you know, facing the rotor. And como no entra. This piston needs to be compressed more. It goes on the inside. So you don't hear the fucking noise when it's, you know. You know, you just gotta line up the holes right here. So when the pins come through, they're easy to do, you know. But you still need to compress this side. And, you know, people care about their calipers. They don't use this. They usually put like a rubber piece, but since I don't really care because no one's gonna see it, I'm just gonna compress it how I compress it, you know? Pad, still. Brake pad, make sure this part's on the pad and not on, so you know when you're screwed in, you're not digging out the paint like I did here. But you know, live and learn, right, babe? There. Now you normally clean it off, so se quiere ir para atrás, you get, you know, one of your pins. Let's see, hammer this thing a little bit. Hammer it through so it pops out again, and then you get your little clip thing and you fold it down, and then you put the other pin in. Hold up, I fucked up. You gotta make sure that's down. You gotta make sure this shim is down and then force this screw, this thing in. The holes, you know, the holes that I showed you in the beginning, babe, are facing up, so you could slide these things in. If you don't put them in, then your fucking pads are just gonna come out. You know, it's like a little cotter pin type thing. And since I didn't align this one there, I just turn it, hammer it in more because it's not all the way in, And then you put the retainer clip. And your brakes are done. And that's it. You know? Babe?
Okay, after this, what are we doing?
Put the wheel back on.
And that's it.
Yeah, I didn't lug nuts.